One class students, how are you? I hope you are fine. So let's we start today our lecture number 17 and our topic is Wiz and the mouse. Student, first of all I am described to mouse. Mouse is an input device. Okay students, in this lectures we are cover, fill in the blanks, match the columns and cover the true and false. First of all I am described to fill in the blanks. Okay, now we start the first fill in the blank. Okay student, the small arrow that moves when we move the mouse is called a pointer. Okay students, we choose the pointer option at that statement. And the second statement is the mouse is used to point at things on the screen. Okay, and the third statement is the mouse has 3 buttons. Students, you see the 3 buttons like right click, left click and the center is wheel. Mouse has a 3 button. Okay, right click, left click and wheel. And the fourth one statement is mouse will help us move up and down a page. Okay students, that fill in the blanks is most important. And next slide student, you see match the columns. Match the words that are similar in meaning. Okay students, in these slides match the column. Students, you see first word is direct. Direct means point. Okay, that direct means point, that is a similar meaning of the direct. And the second is shift. Shift is a move, that is an other similar meaning is move. And the third is blinking. Students, you see the blinking, we say that is a flashing line on the screen, and we match the blinking with the flashing, that is a similar meaning of that word. And fourth one is display. Display means show. Okay, and that 2 words have the same meaning, so that is why we match the column. Okay, in the next slide student, you see the different statements. Answer the following questions with the yes or no. Like that true and false statement you choose in this statement. Okay students, first statement is, does the mouse help to show us where we are on the computer screen? Yes, that statement is true. Okay students, because mouse help us to show the where are on the computer screen. And the second statement is the small flashing line we see in the document called a pointer. That is a false. No, that flashing line we say that is a cursor. Okay students, pointer and cursor is different, that is different meanings. Okay, and the third one statement is, does the mouse pad help us move up and down a page? That is a wrong statement. Okay, here we write that is a false statement, because mouse pad not help us to move up and down a page. We use the wheel for up and down the page. Okay students, and the fourth one statement is the wheel in the middle of the mouse called a cursor? That statement is wrong, because the wheel in the middle of the mouse is called a wheel. Okay students, mouse has a 3 button, right click, left click and the center is wheel. Okay, note that is a cursor, so that statement is wrong. Okay student, today our lecture is end, so listen it carefully. Allah Hafiz.